everybody, this is me Adela Pushpadan and you're watching The Crazy Mess. Recently I had asked you guys whether you wanted to know my hair care tips and nearly 80% of you said yay! So here I am with my hair care tips. This is not a sponsored video, so all the products I've been mentioning is something that I have used in my life and helped me a lot. The product I really recommend for you guys is this one. This is Moroccan Argan Hair Oil, which is from the product company called Scent Botanica. This is something which I've been using for like 1 year, like almost 1 year, and it is superb guys. This is my third bottle and it costs nearly 1200 offline. So if you go to Amazon, Flipkart and Snapdeal, you'll get it nearly in 700 to 800 in a discount price. So it's nice. It smells heaven. It really smells heaven. This is chemical free and it has a lot of natural oils in it. So I recommend this for everyone. It's the amazing product ever. So yeah, Scent Botanica. This is not a sponsored video again. If you guys want to sponsor me, Scent Botanica, contact me. Next product I've been using is Sabu's hair pack powder, which is neem hair pack powder. This product really helped me in many ways. It helped me to make my frizzy hair become less frizzy, and it really helped my hair to growth also, because I like months before cut my hair. And I'll be using this after that tragedy happened in my life. And yeah, this is a really nice product. Sabu has a lot of good products like hair pack, face packs, scrubs, body scrubs and brightening oil and even many other products. And it is completely chemical free and it has all the natural products. If you want to buy this, I'll link the Instagram link in the description box. You can check out the page. It's a very good product. Next product I've been using for like years is this Elements from Vella Professional. It is a renewing mask. When I did my keratin treatment like
4 years ago.
4 years, it's a long time. So that time when I did keratin treatment, my hair was completely messy because I've been hair coloring and trying different hairstyles, and I've been traveling from one place to another, so it was a mess. But this product is really a lifesaver. It costs nearly 1075 MRP, but if you get it from online, it costs nearly 750 to 800. And yeah, you can see I have completely used it. So it's like one more wash, it's done. I have to get it. I don't have the money. Okay, but for me, I think I've been using non-chemical products a lot, and this is the only product which has chemicals in it. So I don't really recommend chemical products to you, but if you really want to have a silky hair, you can use this. The next two things I'm suggesting you guys is what I do from my kitchen. I take things from the kitchen and makes my own hair packs and hair oils. I am weird, but I know you want to know what it is, so here it is. First of all, if you really have a very frizzy hair, try applying curd in your hair. Curd really makes your hair smooth. But if you don't like the smell, don't try it. That's it. And if you have to have some protein in your hair, apply egg. You can use egg white or the yolk, or you can use the complete egg. I use the complete egg in my hair like once a week, which actually makes your hair really smooth. It helps hair growth and everything. So you I know you guys are confused, like egg white curd, how can you just apply it in bare hair and it stinks? I got you guys the to not have the weird yuck smell, add almond oil, some castor oil and some aloe vera gel and mix it with the egg. So it doesn't smell bad and it also gives you a very shiny and good hair. To make myself clear, this is my own hair care tips. So if you get some problems with it, it's because of the different hair type. My hair type is different from yours. So before blaming me, please think about your hair type. If you continuously change your hair oil, hair mask and your entire routine, your hair really gets damaged. So do not try that. Just stick on to the shampoo which you use, stick on to the hair oil and do not change continuously. It might make your hair fall even worse. Yeah. And the final thing about the curd, you can apply curd like normally, like just apply it all over your head, or you can mix it with the egg white, which always gives you a very good luscious hair because egg has protein and it really helps your hair to feel all bushy and plump. My hair is not flushy and bushy today because I didn't wash my hair. Stop it. Okay, so yeah, one more teeny tiny tip. If you use aloe vera gel in your hair, it really helps your hair growth and it avoids the itchiness and the, you know what it is called, dandruff will not be there. So if you apply aloe vera gel from the aloe vera plant, not from the companies. Okay, I know now you got all the secrets that I've been cherishing for my hair. I know. Don't forget to hit that like button. Comment down if you want more of these kind of tips for skin and anything related to anything. I'll come up with that. And share this video. Subscribe.